Ways to fix screen time when it's not working. Make sure screen time server is active. Open your browser and go to apple.com/support/system status webpage. Then, find the server name screen time. If it's green, that means the server is working correctly. Re-enable screen time. Open the iPhone settings app, tap on screen time, then scroll down to the bottom and tap on turn off screen time. If asked, enter the iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Now, force restart your device. When the iPhone boots, go to screen time settings again and tap on turn on screen time, set up screen time and check if it works. Adjust date and time correctly. Go to general settings. Tap on date and time, then toggle the switch next to set automatically to enable the feature. Reset all settings. Go to general settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Check for updates. Go to general settings. Tap on software update. Wait while your device searches for updates. If found any, tap on download and install to update the iPhone. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising supported software. Combo Cleaner also offers a disk cleaner that will help you clean out the junk accumulated on your Mac. A big files finder that will help you find files that take up the most space on your Mac. A duplicate file finder, which will easily find all duplicate files on local and external hard drives. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.